Hi everyone, now let's talk about index method. In Python, list data structure. So it's very important structure where we can use this method in list. See, this can be used to identify index number from the element of each and every data structure. So if we are using list, then we can able to find out index number from list. If you are using tuple or if you are using whatever the data structures, then you can able to pick index numbers if the index will accept indexing. Sorry, if the list will accept indexing. So what we need to understand here, let me take an examples. Now let's see here, product I am just taking. So product will be the list name. I am just taking products here, like you can say pen, then you can say pencil, and then we have bag, and then we have box, and then bottle. So these are the products I have. Then as we know, we need to find out products, and then first find the type of products. So then execute here. So we will have these type of elements here, products. This is the list. Now I need to find out the index number. So index number, you can say from this, what we need to do here, let's see, I'm just taking index equal that variable name. Then you need to pass list structure, and then you need to pass index method, index of, so which product that you want to find out the index, that I need to find out for bag. Then you can say print of the index number for value bag is. So then you can able to call that index. So when we execute now, what will happen? So the index number for value bag is 2. So we need to find out that index number using this index method, or you can say function, and you need to find out index number for box. Then you can find it, that is 2. So that means we need to find out here bag, not 2 here. Here we need to find out for box. We need to give that value. So that is the index number 3. Now if you are giving index that equal to pen, so that will be 0. So because positive index starts from 0, positive index starts from 0, this index number will give positive index starts from 0 here. So this index number will give only positive index numbers. So from left side to right side, if you need to understand about index mechanism, please go and see indexing, sorry, you can say positive index and negative index mechanism in indexing classes. So now let's see what I am trying to take here. I am trying to display which is not available from the list, that I am just taking here cup. So when I execute here, what will happen? Then you can say cup, then cup is not in the list. So that is value error is giving the value which is trying to find out the index number for a cup. That value is not presented in the list data structure. That's why it is showing error here. The cup is not in the list. So what we need to do? We need to find out the value which is presented in the list itself. Otherwise it will throw an error. Now you can able to take here pencil. So now the pencil, the index, sorry, here you can say, so here you can say the pencil is 1, the index number 0, you can try to give like 0 1 2 3 then 4 then 5. So these are the index numbers we have. Now we'll take one more example. So what we need to do here, you take any example like fruits, then you can say banana, then apple, then you can say mango. So now print of fruits, then print of type of fruits, then you can say index, or you can say fruits index equal to, then what you need to do here, first you need to index, sorry, the data structure name, then index for apple. So then print of index value is, that's it. Now you can take directly this one, so execute. So the index value for apple is 1, then you can try to execute here index value for mango, then that will be 2. That means we have 3 values, you can say it will start from 1, so 0 0 1 and then 2. These are the index numbers for this. Now if you are trying to display for banana, so that will be the 0. Now whenever you are trying to get index number for which is not available any element, then it will throw an error like Guava is not in the list. That means the value is not presented in the list of fruits. So this is all about index method from list data structure in Python programming language. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.